Hello everyone, so I have some exciting things today that I want to talk about because I'm going to change my name and my way of working on my YouTube channel. Now it's going to be about my journey of my life, about things I do, travel, adventures, running especially. I'm going to run a few awesome races this year and it's going to be great and I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, it's going to be so good. I'm looking forward to a new chapter on my channel and yeah, I'm going to take you guys with me and we are going to have an awesome time together. I'm going to show you a lot of nice things and we are going to have fun, travel, adventures, daily life and yeah, let's do this and it's going to be good. And now it's called Michael's Life Journey, by the way, so it's way better than Michael's Life Academy. It's gonna be awesome, so I'm really excited. And later we're going for a run and enjoy this weekend, so let's go. And I moved to a new apartment a few months ago, half a year ago, and you haven't seen it yet, so let's take a look at that together. So yeah, this is my new apartment. I'm really happy for it. It's absolutely amazing. Perfect space for me, my medals, and a good kitchen. And then we get all my nice medals. I love running and let's go. And here's my living room, a nice sofa, picture, TV, and my setup here, really nice. And here's my bedroom, perfect space as well. I really love it. It's cozy and nice. And then we are going to the bathroom. That's also really cool. I have some dryer and yeah, and a nice bath, toilet, washing clothes, and me and hello everyone. Hello everyone. Let's go for a nice 5 or 7 kilometer run and enjoy it together in this beautiful and nice weather. And this is my apartment area. Let's go. And today I'm just going for a small one before my long one tomorrow. Let's do this. It's nice to get some fresh air on a nice Friday to start the weekend. It's really nice. Let's go. And now I just want to show you the beautiful view. Let's take a look at this. The view from this bridge is absolutely amazing. I love it. Let's go. Just take a look at this beautiful view. It's really nice. So now we're on the second bridge and this is the view from that bridge. And now we are at one of the last views of the sea before we are home. Just take a look. Really beautiful today. And the weather is gorgeous. It's gonna be an awesome one. Let's go. There's less than a kilometer left. Let's do this. We are almost home. And now we are almost home. Let's do this. Hello everyone. So I just completed 5 kilometers and went really well today. It was a little bit tough. My heart rate was a little bit high in the 160s, but I really enjoyed it and now I'm looking forward to the next rest of the day. And by the way, here's my time. It went really well. So yeah, I'm happy. Let's go. See you all later. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please smash the like button, enable notifications and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me so I can grow my channel and get stronger and more audience and make better content. So yeah, see you all later. Bye!